Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this OPPO device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Sound and Vibration. Over here, scroll down again and click on the switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate on Silent to switch on or off vibrations while your device is muted. Finally, click on Haptics and Tones. Over here, you need to click on this switcher next to System Haptics to turn off or on haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!